Hi everyone, I am super excited for today's video. We are going to be swatching some really amazing fun dip powders from Dipped in Fairy Dust, and these 4 colors here are part of new dip powders that were released today. That is Wednesday, April 5th, and this is dip powders inspired by Super Mario, and how fun is that? I'm so excited, and if you didn't know, the movie does come out today as well, so you have best of both worlds. You have these really fun dips and then that really awesome movie that's being released, and I think that these dip powders are so fun. I mean, the theme is amazing. I grew up playing the original Nintendo. My older brother had one, and it was like my jam. I loved playing Mario, and like the coins and the sound effects, everything was amazing when it came to Mario on Nintendo. If you grew up playing the original Nintendo, let me know in the comments below. How fun is this first dip powder here called Star World Glow? It is cram-packed full of all those traditional Mario and Luigi. I feel like this is like Nintendo colors right here, like the classic colors. So you have this really awesome like white glitter background, and it glows in the dark, by the way, and then you have all these fun glitters in there, and it's a mixture of like chunky fine glitters, and then there's those stars, and then there's these like little diamond shapes. It's super fun, and I love this color so much. So we are going to go ahead and swatch the rest of these dip powders, and then I'll pop back in at the end. And here are the two dip powders together. You have Smash and Star World Glow. So you can see that they are different. Smash has more of that clear base to it, so it gives it more of those silver glitters pop. And then that Star World Glow has more of a milkier, like white glitter base to it. And then here are all four colors together. Isn't this so fun? It's so colorful, sparkly, and vibrant. I'm totally here for it, and it's definitely giving me all those Super Mario vibes. And I definitely think that Rainbow Road is a must-have. It is cram-packed full of every single color glitter you can imagine, from bright colors to darker colors, which gives it that ultimate Rainbow Road effect, and I'm totally living for it. So I will go ahead and link all four colors that we used in today's video in the description box below, and I'll also include all the information for Dipped in Fairy Dust so you can check out the Facebook group and Instagram page. Stay tuned, there will be some mani pictures at the end. I did end up using all four colors, so don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.